Welcome back. Today I am bringing you an honest, in-depth Hostinger review backed by over 8 years of personal usage, along with a step-by-step guide to unlocking the highest discount Hostinger currently offers. Let's get straight to the point. Hostinger offers two discount methods. The first is a referral code, which stacks an additional 20% discount on top of any active promotion. The second is a coupon code, which caps at 10%. The referral route is clearly superior, and that's what we'll be using today. I've compiled referral links for every country where Hostinger operates, listed in the description and pinned comment localized in your language and currency. Select your country, click the link, and you will arrive directly at Hostinger's website. From the homepage, navigate to products or services in the top menu. You will find their complete portfolio, shared hosting, VPS, business email, and website builder. For this review, I am demonstrating with Hostinger VPS. The VPS section presents 4 tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8, all high performance virtual machines. I'll be selecting the KVM2 plan for this walkthrough. That's it. Proceeding to checkout, you'll notice the full discount reflected in the final price, an extra 20% off the already discounted rate. Important note: to ensure the discount applies correctly, always use a new email address not previously registered with Hostinger. If this guide saved you money, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the noted Hostinger coupon code channel for future deals and updates.